Why am I so bad at snapping? This is the Unit 3 Lesson 2 retrieval in our packet. It starts on page 15. Okay, so first we're supposed to graph two equations and then figure out where they intersect. And how come they never give us the x and y axis? Okay, x and y axis, better than in the last video for sure. Okay, first one we'll do in orange. Starting value is 4, so I'm going to put a point at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope, or the common difference, is -5, so I'm going to be going over a step, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll do one more. Over a step, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my first line. Oh, wow. Just pretend that's a line. All right, next one I'm going to do in purple. We're going for a bold color choice here. This starting value is -3, so 1, 2, 3. And this time the slope is 2, so I'm going to go over a step, up 2, over a step, up 2, and I think that's enough. I can draw in my line. And conveniently, the point where they intersect is right there. Point of intersection would be at the x value of 1, y value of -1. So there we go, not too bad. Okay, number 2, find the explicit and recursive equations for the table. So, throwback. I'm going to start by figuring out the pattern. This looks like it could be -3. -3, yeah, it looks like the pattern is -3. Okay, so let's start with recursive. F of n equals, it's been a long time since we've done this, f of n minus 1. So remember, that's like the next term equals the previous term, and then -3. And then we have to say where it started. So f of 1 equals 64. For the explicit, f of n equals, this is a little more familiar, we've done that a lot more recently. Starting value is 64. We're subtracting 3. We started at step 1, so I'll write n minus 1. And we're putting the variable next to the -3, not raised, because this was subtracting. Okay, next. Okay, if that's subtraction, that's -32. That is a lot, and I don't think that pattern holds up, so it's probably not subtraction. If I look down here, 4 is half of 8. Oh yeah, 8 is half of 16, 16 is half of 32. Okay, so this is times a half. If you can't see that just by looking at the numbers, you could try plugging into your calculator 32 divided by 64, and you should get 1/2 or 0.5. You can also look at the pattern backwards. If it was 4, 8, 16, 32, it'd be times 2. So backwards, it's a half. I just got like 3 email notifications. I'm a little nervous to switch tabs. Okay, recursive, f of n equals f of n minus 1 times a half. And we have to say where we started. Same as the last one, f of 1 equals 64. And then explicit, f of n equals, we're starting at 64, we are multiplying by a half. Since we're doing multiplication, I'm going to raise to the n, and since we're starting at step 1, -1. Throwback there. It's been a while since we've done a recursive equation. It feels good. All right, cool.